Welcome friends, it's lesson number 129. The title of the lesson is in continuation of something that we had learned previously. Simple sentences that help us in our communications with persons who are deaf. So, we will learn some new conversation starters. And we will see sentences related to numbers in a question and answer format. Okay? Question 1. How many members are there in your family? Signed as your family, in people, how many? Your family, in number, people, how many? The answer can be different. One is, in my family, people, 5. For there are 5 members in my family. They are my parents, brother, younger sister, older sister. Altogether we are 5. Or it could be my family, number, people, 7. And they are my parents, father, mother, grandparents, grandfather, grandmother. That makes it 4. And then I have my younger brother, then me, and then it's my husband. So altogether 7 people. So the answers can be different. You can add your own answers. You have already learned signs for all these, so you can add them. Question 2. How many students are there in your class? So the sign would be class, students, number, or class, number, students. Similarly, the answer could be different. In my class, there are 15 students. Students, class, 15. Or 20. You could also specify that there are 10 boys and 10 girls, or 15 boys and 7 girls, making it a total of 22 students. You could give your own numbers and genders as your responses. Question 3. How many players are there in a cricket team? Signed as cricket, team, people, play, how many? The answer cannot be different. It can only be the one answer. The response can only be the number 11. So there are 11 players. You understand? Question 4. How many people participate in figure skating? People, how many in the sport? Figure skating on ice, beautiful gliding sport. How many people can participate in that? The answer varies. It can be one person, individual, or it can also be in pairs or a group. So the answer could be 3 here. Figure skating, that's done on ice. Question 5. How many countries are there in the world? World, countries, places, different, total, number. How many? The answer is 195 countries in total. That's the number, or the answer could vary with a few plus or minuses in the total. Friends, we are benefiting from learning new sentences, right? If you have missed any of these lessons earlier, please check the description box below. The links to the earlier lessons are there. You can watch those videos and continue your practice. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.